Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Hindi Pronunciation Guide. Speak clearly from day one. What if I told you you could sound clear, confident, and almost native in Hindi from your very first day? Not after months, not after years, but right now. Most people think pronunciation comes last. They're wrong. Pronunciation is the foundation. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build it. Slowly, clearly, correctly. So you don't just speak Hindi, you're understood. Let's begin. Before we even touch sounds, you need to understand one thing. Hindi is not English. It doesn't approximate sounds. It defines them. Every letter has a fixed sound, which means if you learn the system once, you never have to guess again. That's your advantage. So, instead of memorizing words blindly, we train your mouth, your ears, and your rhythm. Step by step. Let's start simple. Vowels. In Hindi, vowels are pure, clean. No sliding like in English. Repeat after me. Short and relaxed. Open your mouth more. Do you feel the difference forward versus back? That contrast is essential. If you ignore it, your speech becomes unclear. If you master it, you sound sharp. Let's fix mistakes early. Mistake 1: adding extra vowel sounds. Hindi is crisp, not stretched. Say, come, not comma. Mistake 2: ignoring aspiration, ka, versus kha. Practice, ka, kha. Mistake 3: speaking too fast. Speed comes later. Clarity comes first. Slow down. Own each sound. Now we combine everything. Repeat after me. Kal, Kahana, Gadi, us. Because Kal means yesterday or tomorrow. Kal means something completely different. One small breath changes meaning. So practice this carefully. Ka, ka, ga, ka. Feel the air. Put your hand in front of your mouth. You should feel a burst on ka and ga. Now we reach the sounds that define Hindi, retroflex sounds. These don't exist in English, but once you learn them, you unlock clarity. Listen carefully. Ta, 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 the, di, da, di, da. The trick. Curl your tongue back slightly. Not forward. Back. And tap the roof of your mouth. Try this slowly. Ta, tha. It will feel strange. That's normal. Stay with it. This is what separates beginners from clear speakers. Hindi has 2 T sounds and 2 D sounds. This is where many learners struggle. T, ta. Tongue touches teeth. T, ta. Tongue, ta curls back. Let's compare. I, U, wap, e, longer and tighter. Uda with rounded lips. Long and rounded. Notice something. No confusion. Each one is stable. Now, try this slowly. Ah, e, oo, oo. Again, slower. Good. You're already doing better than most beginners. Now, here's where Hindi becomes powerful. Consonants are organized, not random. They follow a pattern. And once you see it, everything becomes easier. Let's take one group. Ki, ka, ku, ka, with a breath. Gi, ga, gi, ka, with a breath. Nasal sound. Did you notice? Pairs, soft, then breathy. This is called aspiration. It matters a lot. Tomato, tab, dal. Again slower. Now once more, but with confidence. Here's the truth. Pronunciation improves with awareness, not just repetition. Listen, repeat, adjust. Record yourself if you can. Compare and refine. Even 10 minutes a day, done correctly, will transform your speech. So remember, Hindi pronunciation is not complicated. It's structured. It's logical. And now you understand the system. Start slow. Stay consistent. And speak with intention. Because clarity is confidence. And confidence is what people hear first. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.